Hello viewers, today I am here to discuss the topic Elements of Tal. Music is a performing art which is perceived during the process of creation as against visual arts like painting, sculpture and architecture, which are perceived after the process of creation is completed. Music is determined by the movement of audible forms that give the illusion of virtual time. So just as visual arts need a measure of space, performing arts need a measure of time. In Hindustani music, a composition is set to a particular tala or beat with definite intervals. Through the medium of tal, an appearance of motion is achieved with the passage of one interval and onset of another. So, the duration between these intervals gives us the measure of time. This is virtual time that is created within the musical composition. So, question is, what is the concept and meaning of tal? In a musical composition, tal indicates the passage of musical time. During this process, an appearance of motion is achieved that gives music the nature of a living form. In Hindustani music, tala has been considered as the foundation upon which music is established. The composition and the elaboration of raga is rendered within the fixed cycle of the tal. Even though the cycle of the tal is fixed, the rag appears to flower within that cycle and reaching the sum of the tal in different ways after the completion of each cycle becomes an end in itself. So the question is, what do you mean by tal? So the definition of tal is, the word tal finds its derivation from the Sanskrit root tal. Tal means the base or the pivot upon which a thing rests. In Sangeet Ratnakar, defining tala, Pandit Sharang Dev says, tal has been derived from the Sanskrit root tal, which is the base upon which an object is fixed. In the same way, tal is the base upon which vocal, instrumental music and the dance are established. So, let's discuss about various elements of tal. Number 1 is avartan. The complete cycle of a given tal is called avartan. It can be repeated more than once. So, example we can take of teen tal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. So this 16 beats is one avartan, right? So the second most element is matra. The unit of tal, which indicates the measure of musical time, is called matra. Different talas can have the same number of matras. For example, Chautal and Ektal both have 12 matras. However, both are used in different forms of music. Chautal is used with Dhrupad and Ektal is used with Khayal. Chautal is usually played on Pakhawaj, while Ektal is usually played on the tabla. Their tools are suited to the respective forms that they accompany. So, the third element is laya. The tempo of the musical time is referred to as laya. There are three types of laya. First is Vilambit, second is Madhya laya, and third is Drut laya. So, what do you mean by Vilambit laya? Vilambit laya is slow laya. A slow tempo laya is called Vilambit laya, which is usually used in Vilambit Khayal or Bada Khayal. Madhya laya, when the tempo is double that of Madhya laya, it becomes Madhya laya. Third is Drut laya, when the tempo is double that of Madhya laya, it becomes Drut laya, means fast laya, which is usually played with tanas. So, these were the few elements of tal. We will discuss few more elements of tal in our next episode. So stay tuned with us. So if you like my episode, do subscribe and like my channel. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.